got a light little mist going on over here. It's gonna rain off and on all day. Man, this water looks beautiful. I can't wait to get started. JT's already in the back cove. I'm about to cast in this mess and see if we can hook into something. We're out here bright and early. It's 6 o'clock. These hot summer months like this, you got to get at them early, man. First thing I got tied on is one of these X-Zone lures. All right, wish me luck, y'all. Peace. I just missed one somehow. Huh? I didn't say none. Oh no. Bunch of grass. Well, on top water? Huh? Was it buzzbait? Yeah, I had one little bite on buzzbait, or on that frog. Dude, he had a bunch of grass on him. I almost couldn't get him in. It's a decent one. First one right there, caught him on the right. This water is so crystal clear today. I think we're gonna catch some right here in these weeds. Take a look at all the vegetation in here. This guy inhaled it. I caught that on the 11-inch blitz worm. I think he choked the whole worm too. You hung up? Got a fish on it? That was crazy. I was just trying to stretch my line out. I casted it over my shoulder right in there. I knew there was a fish in shit though. A rat out in the middle of the water.
Oh, was it?
Yeah, I didn't have the GoPro on, man.
It's a nice fish.
It is a good one. It's on now. Straight to the bottom. Whew. Nice. That's a big bass. Woo. Yeah, I had little ones grabbing the tail, probably bluegill. We're hooked up. He's under the boat. Let's that one on the swim jig, y'all. Man, my paint's chipping. Girl was hungry. Decent fish. Man, that's an old looking bass. Check that out. Let's go. All right, here's what I'm using right here. Swim bait with a little Kayak trailer. There we go. One picked it up. Oh, it was a little one. Something definitely grabbed it though. Something's still hitting it. It's a little bitty fish, y'all. We don't usually hook into any in here like this. This guy's little. Wow. It's a good thing though. Fish number 7. That's a good one. That's a good one. Oh, he's got me in some grass, dude. Dang, he's got me buried in there. Oh, come out of there. Dude, that's a good one. Nice fish, bro. Dude, 310. Ooh, it said 310 for a second. 3.7. Seems bigger, don't it? See you, dude. I know it. Whew, man. I like fishing out of them yaks, but gosh, are they hard on your back. We've been out here about 5 hours and super stiff, ready to get out of here, get something to eat. We gotta load these vessels up. Good times, man. We cranked into them. Hit on a little bit of everything. Man, today was a good day. Just natural, laid back. I appreciate y'all watching, man. I'll catch y'all next time. Peace.